Unveiling the mystery. Socket installation explained. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of socket installation. Whether you're curious about how things work in your home or you're embarking on a DIY project, understanding the basics of socket installation is incredibly useful. We're here to break it down for you, making it as simple and clear as possible. So, let's get started and uncover the details of socket installation together. First off, let's talk about what a socket actually is. In the world of electrical installations, a socket is a device that allows us to connect electrical appliances to the electricity supply in a building. You might also hear it referred to as an outlet or plug socket. It's the point where you plug in your devices to power them, from your phone charger to your refrigerator. Sockets are designed to fit specific types of plugs, depending on the country you're in, ensuring a safe and secure connection. Now, onto the main event, socket installation. This process involves several key steps to ensure that the socket is safely connected to the electrical wiring of a building. Here's a simplified overview. 1. Preparation. This includes choosing the right location for the socket, ensuring it's away from water sources and in a place where it will be most useful. 2. Safety first. Always make sure the power is turned off at the main breaker before starting any electrical work. Safety cannot be overstated. 3. Wiring. The socket is connected to the electrical wires in the wall. This typically involves attaching the live, hot, neutral, and ground wires to their respective terminals on the socket. 4. Securing. Once wired, the socket is secured to the wall, either directly or using a mounting box. 5. Testing. After installation, it's crucial to test the socket with a voltage tester or a simple plug-in device to ensure it's working correctly. Even though the installation might sound straightforward, there are several tips and best practices to keep in mind. Use the right tools. Having the correct screwdrivers, wire strippers, and voltage tester is essential. Follow local codes. Electrical codes can vary by location, so it's important to be familiar with the regulations in your area. Consider hiring a professional. If you're not confident in your electrical skills, hiring a professional electrician is always the safest option. We hope this video has shed some light on the process of socket installation and has made it a bit less intimidating. Remember, working with electricity requires caution and respect for the safety guidelines. Whether you decide to tackle this project on your own or call in a pro, understanding the basics is always beneficial. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful guides in the future. Stay safe and happy learning.